Well, hello there. Happy Friday, finally. This has been such a long week, literally. I have a parcel to unbox today, which I am so excited about, literally. I might be turning 30 soon, and my parents kindly got me a little something from Bday Collective. I thought first I will show you my outfit. I mean, apologies, it's raining outside. You probably see it on the parcel. That's a little bit rained on, but let me just show you my outfit and then we'll unbox this exciting parcel. First off, my handbag is my Celine Triumph tote, as per usual. We already know, Amanda, you adore this tote, literally. Secondly, I'm wearing my Max Mara Dritto Coat. And I'm wearing this because, you know, on those rainy days, you can just hide under this little hood and you are so comfortable and you're tucked away from the rain, literally. So I'm wearing the Max Mara Dritto in the gray color. Also, for this whole ensemble, right, we're working with a pretty monochromatic or tonal, dare I say, look. We also have my Levi's midi straight jeans, which I adore. I'm obsessed with these jeans. I also have on a pair of gray ash boots. I just have to show you. Do you see these boots? They have a small heel, right? Look at that tiny heel. But you also have them in suede, which is, I know, not very convenient for a rainy day, but you know, style first, practicality second is how we live our lives, right? I mean, these gray ash boots I adore, especially with the Levi's midi straight jeans in gray. Have we seen a better combo ever? I don't think so. With this, obviously, the ensemble underneath the coat. I'm wearing my taupe Loro Piana turtleneck in cashmere. This cashmere is so soft. It's legit the best cashmere of life, I'm not gonna lie. I'm also wearing it with my grandma's blazer that I always wear. She always wore it, I always wear it. It's just a crowd favorite, right? And the best part of this outfit, in my opinion, is just pairing gray and taupe. I know gray is like having its moment, right? Especially paired with maroon or like cherry red, as we've rebranded it as, right? But I think together with taupe, do you just see this color combination? Let's just take off these shoes and then we'll unbox. I am so excited about this. I think I already know what it is, but I am one of these people, like, no one dares to buy me a luxurious item, like, without consulting me first, right? Because I have a very particular taste. I am very particular with the things I have in my life, right? I forgot to tell you, I'm wearing my Cartier Santos Galley Bday, right? My new favorite watch. I'm wearing a Hermès Click H bracelet in maroon or cherry red, if you will. I am also wearing my Esdomera rings. I'm obsessed with these rings. The sparkle of these rings, it's just unreal. Like, I've gotten so many compliments on these rings that I'm just like, should I order more Esdomera rings? I might. I'm also wearing my ruby ring that I've gotten from family, right? And my huge tomato pearl earrings that I'm also so obsessed with. Obviously, I should wait for my birthday, but when you buy something pre-loved, especially like for Bday Collective specifically, you have this time frame, right, where you can, I guess, report an issue or, you know, reach out to Bday Collective if there's something that you want to reach out to them for regarding your parcel. So I've gotten the okay from my parents to open this. I told them also that I might do this little video, right, so that they can see my live reaction together with you guys. So without further ado, maybe I'll go make myself a little iced coffee and then we'll unbox. Does that sound like a good deal? That sounds like a good deal to me. Let's go. I feel like I just have to say apologies for the appearance. It's been a long day. There is no makeup here anymore. Like, who is makeup? We don't know her. But obviously, when you have something like this arrive, you just have to unbox it with your family, which we're doing now, right? So let's just unbox, you know? Thanks for helping us make fashion live forever. Isn't that cute? Okay. Do we see something exciting in here? I see an orange box. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have paper. We don't need the paper. We have a little tiny orange box. How cute is this? I am so excited. Based on this little orange box, do we have any ideas of what it is? It might be something that I kind of have, but not really. please do comment what you think this is, because I am so excited. Okay, so we have the little Vestiaire Collective tag, right? That they've authenticated it, and it's in the condition that the seller said it should be. And here we have the little summary of my Vestiaire Collective order. We have the little care booklet for the leather, which is always a good thing. We have 2 little dust bags. By this point, you probably know what it is. Oh my gosh, this is so precious. I am dying. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest little thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Like, seriously, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, parents. I am so thrilled. Let me just plop that in here. Do you see this little chic handbag? Is this not okay? Now with the perforated H, the little tag is not the cutest, right? But do you see this little Hermès Evelyne TPM, obviously, in black with palladium hardware? This is so precious. Oh my gosh, so cute. And the seller said that it was in like new condition, and I would agree to that. So this is fabulous. Oh my gosh. And in the tiny dust bag, we have the little shoulder strap. Is this not so sweet? Oh my gosh. And we have the teeny tiny Hermès Paris made in France. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. The cutest. Oh, the attention to detail on Hermès things is just, it's just unmatched. And honestly, I kind of wore this outfit today because I was like, this outfit will be so cute with my new little Hermès Evelyne in black, don't we think? Oh my gosh, and the box and the teeny tiny dust bags, I mean, they're getting me. I mean, so sweet. And I'm so happy to have one of these with like all of the little details, right? With the box and with the dust bags and with, you know, with everything. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh. I think this is so stinking cute, literally. Like, how is this length so perfect on me? Like, it's a mystery. I mean, obviously you can wear the perforated H side to the front as well, but as we all know, that's not really my vibe, especially because then you have to open it like this, right? Which is a little bit inconvenient versus just having it on the front of the bag, just the opening thingy, right? But oh my gosh, I am obsessed. And I can hear y'all saying, like, Amanda, that bag is tiny. What even fits in that bag? I think we should have a little look-see. Obviously, it's just a little, I mean, this is not a review. This is just a little first impression, right? I mean, it's just a little black hole, essentially, right? You don't have any compartments. It's just basically the unfinished leather on the inside of the bag, right? For me, essentially, this is not like a carry-all bag, obviously. This is a grab and go, like you're running off to do some errands. And you just want something quick and easy, but chic and like functional and cute. Does that make sense? So my thought process, right? When I just run out for quick errands, what do I bring? I bring my phone. This is an iPhone like ancient 11 Pro, right? And then I have my little key and card holder from Louis Vuitton. And this is basically the duo that I carry with me at all times. And you just plop that in here. Oh my gosh, fits perfectly. Do you see this? This is just the perfect little bag for these two things. Oh my gosh, so luxurious, so chic. I'm obsessed. Sometimes I do carry 2 phones. Can we fit 2 phones in here? No problemo, literally. You just stack the 2 phones, you put the little key and card holder in there, and then you close up the little bag like so with no issue, and it's just looking fabulous. It's not even being deformed, I would say. Or what do we think? I mean, that's just perfect. This is the perfect little grab and go bag. Don't we think? Look at this. So chic. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm obsessed. Honestly, this is so cute. But I'm thinking, right, we should compare the 3 because now we have the TPM, We have the PM and we have the GM. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Obviously, first off, TPM Evelyne that we just unboxed and saw. Then the next step up is my Evelyne PM. So basically the Evelyne PM, this one is 29 centimeters across. It has the front pocket, right? So this is the version 3 with the adjustable strap. It's obviously forest green. It has the spring onion green strap. Why was that so difficult to say? This Evelyne TPM, you can also call it the Evelyne Mini or the Evelyne 16. 16 as in the centimeters. It's across the bag, right? So obviously the jump from TPM to PM is quite significant in terms of 29 centimeters to 16 centimeters, at least for us in the handbag world, right? That is, do you see these? The green one is the mom, the black one is the kid. I am honestly obsessed. How can this be so cute? Okay, so we have the PM, we have the TPM, and now we have the GM. I also know that there's a TGM. I think that one is 40 centimeters across, but literally, where would I ever wear a 40 centimeter across Hermès Evelyne, right? I mean, nowhere. I would never wear it. So I just have the Hermès Evelyne GM, right, which is 33 centimeters across. I wish I needed to research this before this video, but I did not. This is from memory. This is how obsessed I am with Hermès Evelyne bags. So this is the GM. This one is obviously an espresso brown. It also has the pocket on the front. It has the non-adjustable strap because this is the version 2, right? The other ones are the newest versions that are out, right? But this one is a vintage version, which, key tip from yours truly, you usually can find for a pretty good deal on the pre-loved market. So if you don't mind the non-adjustable strap, I will, of course, for reference, show you how low this hangs on me, right? Okay, so trying on said bags, we have the little Hermès Evelyne PM. Look at her, so cute, so chic, so like low-key luxurious, and we are obsessed, no? I think so. This is obviously the version 3 with the adjustable strap, so if you need to adjust it, be my guest. Then we have the Hermès Evelyne GM. Should we just cross them all over so that you can see them all at the same time? They land both at a comfortable height, right? This one is non-adjustable, this one is adjustable. We do also have the little TPM girly. I guess it lands at approximately the same height as the GM. Do we see this? Oh my gosh. Maybe this is a vibe. Is this fashion? This is not fashion. This looks ridiculous. So this was the little all comparison try on vibe. Do we just want to see them one by one? We can do that, so that's fine. So you've already seen this Hermès PM in green, TPM in black. New one, so cute. OMG, obsessed. Do you see her? You should just get a little close up. Look at her. Oh my gosh, so fab. And turning her around, we have the perforated H, and there you see the Vestiaire Collective tag. You obviously also have the little Hermès Paris, made in France. Tee, so cute. Oh my gosh, cool. This is why you never get to hear the cutaways. Because me chatting about these things is just too many teehees and too many cutes. This is obviously the GM. This is low-key my favorite ones of the ones I've had previously, right? Because this is just so low-key, so luxurious, so easy to just fling across your shoulders and go your merry way. Oh my gosh, teehee, the cutest. Here she is in all her glory. We are clearly obsessed. And there's the perforated H for those that wanted to see it. Look at her. Do you want to see that for the green one too? There's a perforated H on this one, I promise. Essentially, the non-adjustable strap on the Hermès Evelyne GM version 2 is like engineered to perfection, similar to the non-adjustable strap on the TPM, right, that I just showed you. So these are the little family. Do you see these? Oh my gosh, the teeny tiny one and the dad. So freaking cute. How can I show all of these at the same time? The math is not mathing at the moment. Why am I struggling? Do you see? No, you will not see. Do you see now? Possibly a little bit. I mean, we have the 33 centimeter, we have the 29 centimeter, And we have the 16 centimeter across. Obviously, these are ranging in size, so whatever, like however much you need to carry around will be kind of basing your decision on which size you should get, right? In terms of colorways, you have a bunch of color options, especially if you check pre-loved, right? If you buy in the store, it's always a gamble and a game, right? But that's a different story. I bought all of these pre-loved. This one obviously was a kind gift from my parents for my 30th birthday, so thank you so much. That is so sweet, and I'm literally obsessed with this little thing. Guys, this was my little first impression. I am so looking forward to wearing this. Obviously, I will not do a review because I just unboxed it. Anyone that says review and unboxing, I do not trust, because how in the world can you do a review at the same time you unbox it when you don't have any user experience with the thing, unless you have something of the exact same style from before. But still, we don't do reviews and unboxings here. We just do first impressions, unboxings, and then we can do a separate review, right? So do keep your little eyes peeled for that. Guys, this was my first impressions for my Evelyne TPM or Evelyne Mini or Evelyne 16 or whatever you want to call it, right? Clearly, black is a classic color. I have all of these with palladium hardware, and I think palladium hardware and Hermès Evelyne's is such a chic choice because the silver gives it a casual vibe, right? Which in general, the Hermès Evelyne to me is kind of a casual and low-key bag that's still giving chic vibes, if that makes sense. Now I'm gonna stop rambling because otherwise I am passionate about Hermès Evelyne bags clearly, but I need to let you guys go. You have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope you are doing so well. Thank you so much for watching this video and for spending this time and space with me. I put out videos every single Sunday at 3 p.m. Swedish time, or CET time, I guess. Once again, stay safe, take care, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye, guys.